Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Password and Security. Then tap on App Lock and select this gray sweater next to Enable App Lock feature. Now you need to create a pattern that you will use to unlock your apps. Hit Continue at the bottom right corner. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And click on OK. Now you need to answer this security question, or if you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, tap on the question again. Click on Custom Question at the bottom of the list and create your own. Save it by hitting OK in Custom Security Question pop-up. Remember to answer it correctly below. And when you're done, tap on OK. If you wish to save your password to Google Passwords Manager, hit Save in the pop-up. If you don't, just click on Never. Now you can tap on one of those sweaters next to one of your apps to enable or disable app lock. I want to lock my Chrome, so when I click and try to access Chrome app, icons that pattern is now required. If you want to disable app lock from your device, click on this sweater next to Enable App Lock to deactivate it. If you want to turn it back on, you need to create your pattern again after tapping on the sweater. Create or answer one of these security questions and click on the sweaters again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!